Hello and welcome to this video on how to reverse a string in Java. In this video, we will learn how to reverse a string using a loop method. Launch NetBeans IDE and click on File, then New Project. Under Categories, select Java Application. Click on the Next button. Under Name and Location, type the name of your project, such as Reverse String Loop. Click on the Next button. The project is created and opened in your NetBeans IDE. You should see the projects window, which contains a tree view of the components of the project, and the source editor window, where you can write your Java code. Here is an example of how this would look like in code. Declare and initialize a string. Declare and initialize an empty string for the reversed version. Loop over the original string from the last index to 0. Get the character at the current index. Append it to the reversed string. Print the original and reversed strings. If we run this code, we will get the following output. Thank you for watching this video on how to reverse a string in Java. I hope you learned something new and useful today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are interested in learning more about programming. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tech on Demand, where we bring you the latest and greatest tips and tricks on all things tech. We upload new videos every week, so make sure you hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post something new. Thank you for your support and see